Welcome to this tutorial over creating a numerical response question in Aware. Before we get started, a few reminders. For best results, use Google Chrome or Firefox when accessing Aware. For full functionality of Aware, do not use the PISD portal for access. Access Aware by typing the link below directly into your browser. Once you have logged into Aware, navigate to the Assessments tab. Then click Create a new quick test key. On this tab, you will enter some general information about your assessment, such as the title, the subject, the grade level, the type of assessment, and the courses associated with the assessment. You can also change the performance levels in this section. Once you have entered all of the information, click Build Quick Test Key. On this panel, you will build your test key. To add a numerical response question, go to Question Type and click on Numerical Response. You can adjust the quantity of numerical response questions. You also have the option of selecting a fixed or floating decimal point. Use the fixed decimal point for grades 3 through 8 with the exception of 8th grade Algebra 1. Use the floating decimal point for high school and 8th grade Algebra 1. You also have the option to adjust the numbers before and after the decimal point. You have the option to allow negative values. To allow negative values, click the box. You will need to check this box for grades 6 and up. Since this is a 5th grade assessment we're building, we will uncheck. You can also add your additional question types here. Then click Create Quick Test Key. From the Test Key panel, you can enter the correct answer choices and edit the standards by clicking the pencil icon. You can also adjust the item weight. Once you have entered the information, click Save. I will repeat that process here on the second numerical response. You can also adjust the item numbers. Let's say question number 2 is actually question number 4. Simply click and drag the question to the correct location. If you need to add an additional numerical response question after you have already built a test key, you can do so by clicking the Questions tab. Navigate to the location where you would like to add the question. Click on the blue plus sign, then select Add Item. Question type, select Numerical Response. Here you can add the standard, set the item weight, select fixed or floating decimal, and the number of digits both before and after the decimal point. You also have the option to allow negative values. In the next box that says Enter Question Text, you can actually leave this box blank unless the students will be viewing the questions online. You must enter the answer. Scroll down to the bottom box and enter your answer. Once you have done so, click Create. And the question has been added. It is important to preview the answer documents before you print them out for students. To do this, navigate to the Administration tab. Then click Collection. Scroll down and click Print Sample. A PDF will generate. It can be found at the bottom of your screen. By viewing this preview, you can verify that the answer document is set up correctly. Thank you for viewing this tutorial over creating numerical response questions in Aware. If you need additional assistance on this topic, please contact your level data specialist. For high school, James Early. For middle and intermediate school, Chrissy Dollins. For elementary school, Darcy Hurd. Thank you.